In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Messenger app keeps showing you this couldn't send error on your iPhone. So what you can do is first try sending a message to another chat or a group. This will help you narrow down the problem and see if the issue is related to a specific person or a group. However, if that doesn't work, head to your settings app and then tap on general. In here, scroll down and then tap on VPN and device management. Make sure your iPhone is not connected to any VPN service. If it is, make sure to disconnect it and then try again. However, if that doesn't work either, your next option is to simply uninstall the Messenger app. So simply long press on it, select delete app and then select delete to confirm. And then head to the app store and then reinstall the app. Once you have done this, you should be able to send messages. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to head to the Messenger settings menu. Here, scroll all the way down and then select report a problem. Now select report anyway. Now select include, and then here you can briefly describe your problem, that you are getting the couldn't send error repeatedly, and then hit this send button. In a few hours, your issue should be resolved and you should be able to send messages again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.